Thunderstorm was located near Muncie, northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Eaton around 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Albany around 10:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm would include Parker City and Farmland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, and Randolph.